PO. Let us look into that. Redmi Innopro join. Is that Nikhil? No, it's not the Give me 1 more minute. Let us see if one more Venkat or Nikhil, somebody has to join it. Let us see for 1 more minute. Well, I'll just create one PO quickly. ME21N. I'll create a PO. So wrongly entered. Can you give me some vendor? Hello?
Yeah. I think vendor starts with.
Is this vendor correct?
Double.
Is it for our?
No.
Okay. Yeah, can you please tell a vendor?
Nine starts with 9.
Followed by?
First two.
Any material?
The 3730 somewhat. 3070. 370 was last number.
370 last number.
370 310.
Okay, let me just check. Now, until now, when we worked, it was so that whatever the PO quantity, maybe 200, 300, or whatsoever the PO quantity, we took it the same in GR also. I just wanted to demonstrate how if it differs from the quantity of PO. I'll take MM60. Plant PTVP. $550, well, 608. $7,007 00370. Is that the one what you were saying?
Yes.
7,007 370. Okay. 7,007 370. This is the material. The PO quantity, I'll take 500 here. Rest all having the same. I'll just try creating a PO, then process this. So PTBP. So make a note of this PO number 4500022679. Make a note. Six, 7, 9. Now in this screen, I'll go to stock overview, MMBE. 700700370. I'll execute this. Mind you, I didn't process GR yet. I'm just looking at the existing stock of this material. Are you able to see this? A stock overview screen, all of you? Nikhil, Venkat, and Prajit.
Stock overview, our basic list we are able to.
Basic screen, yeah? Stock overview kantalva.
Stock overview, basic list is available.
Stock overview nalli. Can you see that unrestricted use 200, on order stock 550? Can you see this? These two.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, now see, on order stock is a stock which we are yet to receive. We have raised PO for this. We are yet to receive this stock. That is on order stock. Unrestricted is something which we already have in our plant in the PTBP plant under PBSL storage location. So this stock is existing. This is on order stock. Order has been placed, but yet to receive the stock. Now, having this aside, I'll just open a parallel session. You just let me know whether that screen is visible to you. I just went to a new session now. Is it visible?
New session, yes, this one. Front
New
page is
session.
visible now.
New session, new
Yeah,
session.
visible.
Is the new session visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, I'll proceed with MIGO now. What's our PO number? Can you tell the PO number?
450 22 679 679
679. Is PO
679.
number correct?
Last but one.
Yeah, are you able to
679,
see this? Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, 500 is the quantity. PO quantity is 500. Now, in real time, it can so happen that even though the order is placed for 500, you may not receive all 500 in a single shot. Hope you're understanding this. Goods receipt, PO is raised for 500, but in real time, it can so happen that they may not send all 500 in a single shot. There can be some delay in the issue of goods from the vendor, or it can also happen that 500 can be sent in two installments because they They may be sending some, so due to some logistics reason, or some other reason, due to which they will not be able to send all 500 exclusively, having transportation for you for one company, because of dependency of logistics, maybe some transportation which vendors also depend upon. Due to some reasons, if all 500 is not sent in a single shot, let us assume only 300 or 200 they are sending. Let us assume that they are sending only 200. Now you just observe how to process then. Goods receipt, if I say this item okay, then I am agreeing that all this 500 is coming into my stock. That is the meaning. Now here we have this where purchase order, partner, and we have, see, I'll go behind. I have quantity. You see this quantity. Instead of 500 here, I'll make it as 300. Observe, instead of 500, I am making the quantity 300. I'll enter. Next to material quantity, instead of 500, I have made it as 300. System says quantity order is 500. Quantity ordered is 500 and quantity that I am receiving now is 300. Here, can you observe? Automatically, the quantity has reduced to 300. Make a note of this. I think we have Venkat. Venkat?
Only two we are here.
Oh. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ now observe it, system says deficit of purchase order quantity 200. System is giving you that information. As I told you, if it is yellow in color, then it is a warning caution kind of signal, so that you have to just cross check before processing. If it is red in color, then there is something terribly wrong which you have to fix, without which the system will not allow you to proceed. And if it is green in color, then the document is okay. That is the meaning. Now in yellow color, it is showing that deficit in PO order quantity because 200 is less as compared to PO. You can make a note of this. 200 less. The system is showing the message. I'll proceed still. I know that it is 200 less. Still, I'll proceed. I'll post. Observe 10223. It's posted. 10223. It is posted.
What is that number? What?
This is
number
GR
is
number.
this?
GR number. Goods receipt number. I'll just go to stock overview. I'll share the screen. Stock overview. See, I had just maintained the same screen. I'm not doing again MMB new entry. I've just maintained the same screen. In this screen, we have an option of refresh. Hope the stock overview screen is visible now to you.
It's visible, Ramchandra.
Yeah. Now observe, I'll just click on this refresh. I'll simply click on this refresh. What happened?
Unrestricted use is increased. That is to 500 from 200.
Yeah, because
And
300 we have received. 300 we have received, due to which it increased, and on order stock is reduced to 250 from 550 because 300 is received. So this is in stock overview screen. Now I'll come back to GR screen. I'll come back to GR screen. In this screen, see, let us again assume that out of that 300, what the vendor has sent, 300, out of that 300, maybe some quantity is not of the required specification what we had asked for, or some quantity has damaged. Let us assume that. In that case, what should I do? If some quantity is damaged, I have to return that back to the vendor, right? Or else unnecessarily I have to make the payment for that. I have to return it back to the vendor. So for that, what should I select here in the system GR screen? Instead of goods receipt here, hope you are able to see MIGO screen now.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this, instead of goods receipt, I select here return delivery. Make a note, return delivery. Because the quantity is of poor quality or damaged or some reason due to which I would like to return it back. It is under return delivery. Under this, I need to proceed. So document number I have to enter here. This is recent GR number which system automatically takes. 10223.
Yeah.
I'll enter. So after entering, here I should mention what quantity is being returned. Let us take 50. 50 is being returned. Let us assume so. Out of 300, what I received, 50, I am returning it back. Make a note again, it is under quantity 50. Enter. You can observe now quantity automatically changes to 50 as per my entry. Then if 50 is being returned, I should mention why it is being returned. Why? So under where, observe this is one more important thing what you need to notice is movement type 122. 122. Make a note of this movement type. What is this 122? 122 is return delivery to vendor. Return delivery to vendor. So earlier we used to do with 101 movement type. Now this is 122 as we are sending it back. Return delivery to vendor. (122). We can observe once I select 122, it shows minus RE, return to vendor. Return to vendor. Now I should mention what is the reason. The reason for movement is already pre-configured. We'll have to select one among them. Let us select delivered wrong product. Delivered wrong product. 0004. I'll choose that. Make a note. Enter. Say item okay. And I'll proceed with posting this. So document posted. next document number is created. Now again, I'll come back to stock overview. Your screen visible, stock overview?
Yeah, it's visible now.
I'll refresh again. What happened now?
Stock unrestricted use is 450, that is reduced, and
Ah.
on order stock is in.
So you are getting the concept of this, right? Returning what if it is less than PO quantity, how to process. These
Yes.
things do happen in real time. It will not be very smoothly running as per PO, as GR required and so on. So these kind of exchanges do happen in real time. This is about how to handle if the stock differs from PO and how to return it back as well. I don't know, others they didn't connect. I don't know what's the reason. Too often.
This Venkat has an internet problem.
Oh, Nikhil, he joined and again he left.
I think Venkat facing an internet problem due to the power supply and all. He used to tell me, and he told me once during morning time in his area.
Is it only during morning time or how is it?
He said this is during morning time, and few days he went to his native also.
Yeah, that I got to know. He texted me. Okay, I'll just have a word with him. How about tomorrow, Nade hege? Are you available?
Tomorrow, don't plan for afternoon after after 2 o'clock, because I'll be going. I'll be going for pickup, and again I'll come at next day 1 o'clock. So after 2 o'clock.